Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add PayPal to Prizepicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in prizepicks.com, and then what you need to do is search for help support. And once you're inside there you'll find the article that says depositing my funds, and under there you'll find the ways in order to add PayPal to Prizepicks. So this is the way to the desktop. So what you need to do here is you need to open PayPal in a separate tab. This will not work in the PayPal portal on Prizepicks. Second, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one for free. If you have one, log in. Then click wallet, then click link bank account, then select your bank account. If you see an option to instantly link your account, click it. If not, follow the instructions on PayPal manually to link your account. Now navigate back to the Prizepicks deposit page and then click on PayPal portal. Complete your deposit with your PayPal balance and then you can start playing. Now as for the mobile version, what you need to do is download and open PayPal app, and once you do that, this will keep in mind that this will also not work in the PayPal portal on the Prizepicks. Now second, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one for free, then log in, and once you do that, tap on wallet, then tap on banks, then log into your online banking or fill in your bank account info manually. Follow any remaining instructions to complete the process. Navigate back to the Prizepicks deposit page and then click on PayPal portal. Complete your deposit with your PayPal balance and then start playing. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.